Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, you can enjoy a beautiful design about flowers and crochet and simple hand embroidery. Mm, Hand embroidery is a great way to add a touch of handmade beauty to your clothes, home decor, and other belongings. It's also a fun and relaxing hobby that can be enjoyed by people all ages. If you are a beginner, here are a few tips to get you started. First of all, choose your materials. You will need a few basic supplies to get started with hand embroidery, like embroidery floss, needles, fabric, and hope pattern. Second is learn some basic stitches like running stitch, back stitch, split stitch, stem stitch, third is starting stitch, and fourth is don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistake when they are learning something new. The important thing is to keep practicing and don't let mistakes discourage you. With a little time and patience, you will be stitching like a pro in no time. Some additional tips for hand embroidery beginners. Start with a small project. Use a light touch when stitching. Be patient. Embroidery takes time and practice. Have fun. Embroidery is a great way to relax and express your creativity. I hope these tips help you get started with hand embroidery. Enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.